Good medical morning. This is Adam filling in for Watson today, and today's video is all about whiteheads. That's closed comedones, folks. So let's take a look at some of our favorite closed comedone clips. We'll put definitions on screen. For educational purposes, we have definitions, diagnosis, and a bunch of really fun medical clips. Let's kick it off right about now. So recently, on our Instagram page, we did a survey. We asked if you are a popaholic. In particular, are you a fan of Dr. Sandra Lee, aka Dr. Pimple Popper? Surprisingly, a third of you, 33%, said that you are no longer a fan of Dr. Pimple Popper. Why, you ask? Well, a lot of folks said it's because she's monetized a lot of videos, and they feel that she's sold out to TLC. Now, I know some of you are still Dr. Pimple Popper fans, so go ahead and click like if you're a Dr. Pimple Popper fan. We know she has some supporters, folks. Show your love, show your support, click like, and comment yes, Y-E-S, if you're a Dr. Pimple Popper fan. Are you a popaholic? I have one more favor to ask of all you popaholics. Go ahead and click that subscribe button now, and click the notification bell to get all of our updates, every single one of them.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.